In this video, we're going to show you how to make our gorgeous winterberry and snow swirl soap. It's perfect project for the chilly season. Before we get started, safety first. Make sure you've got your safety goggles, gloves, hand guards, and that you're working in a well-ventilated area. Before you start making the soap, weigh out all your ingredients so the whole process runs smoothly. Now start by making your lye solution. Add your sodium hydroxide to the water and whisk gently until it's fully dissolved. Once it's clear, set aside somewhere safe to cool down. While that cools, it's time to melt our oils and butters. Combine your shea butter with the olive oil in a heat-safe jug or pot and warm them until the butters are completely melted. And let it cool until lye and oils are sitting around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. When both are at the right temperature, carefully pour your lye into your oils and give it a few short bursts with the stick blender. You're aiming for a thin emulsion. That's when it's smooth and blended but still nice and fluid. Next, add 45 grams of the winterberry and snow fragrance and gently stir it through with your stick blender turned off. This keeps the batter nice and even without thickening too quickly. Now for the colour fun. Split your mixture into 4 equal jugs. Add titanium dioxide to 2 of them for a bright white and a red mica powder to the other 2 for that festive pop of colour. Blend each until it reaches a smooth cake batter-like consistency. Here comes the creative part, the swirl. Pour a little bit of each colour into the 4 corners of your mould, alternating colours as you go, and let them meet beautifully in the middle. Keep going until your mould is filled to the top. Then take something small like a skewer or even a digital thermometer and gently drag it through the soap to create a soft swirl pattern. Now let your soap rest for 18 to 24 hours. Once it's firm, unmould carefully and cut into bars. About an inch thick looks great. Then let them cure for 46 weeks in a cool, dry area. This helps them harden up, and that's it. You've just made your very own winter berries and snow cold process soap, the ultimate Christmas soap. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another soap making video.